Good morning! Ayan, it's our last day here and flight ko na later, pabalik ng Singapore. It's another 11 hours flight, guys. So, yan, tapos na ang ating journey, ang ating Istanbul journey. And, nakakalungkot man ang isipin, pero kailangan na natin bumalik ng Singapore. Magtrabaho ulit. Kumayod ng kumayod. Ayan. So, ayan, samahan nyo ako sa aking pagbabalik sa Singapore. Guys, ito na. This is it. Uuwi na tayo. So, ayan, samahan nyo ako, guys. See you later sa airport. Ay, hindi pala. Kakain pala muna ako ng breakfast before going back to airport. So, yan guys, last breakfast for today here in Istanbul. Yan. Ang kanilang mga tinapay. Walang rice dito guys. Super bihira. Hindi katulad sa Asia. Yogurt soup. Yogurt soup. Uy, may mushroom sila. So, yan. Okay. And, so, okay, let's go and try. So, ayun guys. Check out na tayo. Check out na. So, yun. Balik tayo ng airport guys. Yun lang sabi ko, balik tayo ng airport. Sundo natin guys. I think the other one can go in.
Thank you very much.
Guys, pabalik na tayo ng airport. Balik na tayo. Singapore. Yan, nandito na tayo sa airport. Nandito na tayo sa airport. Check-in na tayo, guys. Ang ganda niya, guys. Check-in counter. Ang ganda niya. Dila. After so many security check, ayan, nakapasok na rin tayo sa departure area ng Istanbul. Lakad-lakad tayo. Medyo malayo daw yung gate natin. So, kailangan natin maagang pumunta doon. Let's go! Bili muna tayo ng pasalubong. Pasalubong. Daming pasalubong dito, guys. Pero, ang presyo niya, nasa euro. Ayan o, ito. 8-9 euro, $20. Ang mahal. Ito, $7.90. Ito, 12 euro. Oh my goodness. Maharlika. Let's go for this. How much? 14 euro. Ang mahal. Ayan, lakad na tayo sa gate. Nakaumay na yung baklava, guys. Pati Turkish coffee, hindi ko na rin trinay kasi hindi siya masarap. Na-try ko naman siya sa ibang restaurant. Kumain muna tayo sa Burger King. So, ayan guys, kain muna tayo. Namamahalan ako dito guys kasi they go by euro, hindi na siya sa Turkish lira. Ayan, kain muna tayo dito sa Istanbul Airport. Dito tayo sa gate. Sobrang mahal ng ano guys. Kinain ko. Mahal. Ang mahal pagkain dito. So, ito yung gate guys. 10. Yan, boarding na guys. Boarding guys. Boarding. Yan. Tara na. Boarding na.
Board SQ391, this Airbus 350 service bound for Singapore. With me on the flight deck today is Senior First Officer Alvin Seat, and looking after your safety as well as comfort in the cabin, your in-flight manager is Fazli. Flight time to Singapore, and at the present moment all our doors are closed. We should be pushing back from our gate very shortly. But just before we commence our descent into Singapore, I'll come back to you with an update of the latest weather as well as arrival time. Thank you for choosing Singapore Airlines.
Tighten it by pulling on the strap. To unfasten.
Attention cabin crew, please someone does a cross check.
Sakit ng ulo ko, guys. Ako may high blood. Sakit sa ulo.